To shower at the waterfall. Ooh, okay, girl. Okay. Oh my God, slay. Yes, queen. Work it. Uh-huh. Ooh, yes. It's dogging. It's wagging its tail. So cute. Oh. There's the waterfall. I think this waterfall is pretty nice because it's not very crowded. Usually the popular waterfalls, they're so crowded with tourists and stuff. Like even if you want to take picture in front of the waterfall, you have to wait in line. This is not crowded. Only a couple of people are here. That's nice. I'm going to change. We're going to leave after this. What? What is it? I'm tired. My goodness.